Well, this is the Iceman guitar, and once again we're faced with multiple areas where there's high spots all over the neck. Okay, so we've got the lay of that neck, the truss rod adjusted as close as it's going to be. We're going to mask off all of this inlay, the abalone and mother of pearl. Actually, it looks like abalone and then plastic that looks like mother of pearl. Anyway, we're going to mask all that off. So we'll heat that nut up, remove that, and then we'll level from the first fret to the last. Okay, just a quick wrap up on this Ibanez Iceman, Paul Stanley Iceman. There was quite a bit of play in the bridge itself. The machining for the saddles is awesome, like super tight. Both the tailpiece posts and bridge posts were wrapped in Teflon tape just to kind of tighten them up. They're both rock solid now. I did need to remove that D-string saddle, flip it 180 and reinstall because we couldn't get that to go far enough forward for it to intonate. It's all done now, 7th fret corresponding 19th fret octave, all 6 strings perfectly in tune. Now we're on to the compensated nut. Mission completed. And there is our compensated nut, 9 to 46, concert pitch. For you guys that are working on guitars, kind of weird shaped guitars like this Iceman, Explorers, Flying V's, you can contact Greg. He does have these short leather straps. 2 separate short straps allow you to sort of grab these weird guitars by the end pin and center it on the body platform while you're working. They're available. Contact Greg. He'll get these out to you. Cheers. So here we are at last. This Ibanez is done. I got something a little different I'm trying today. I'm using a movement of diatonic tenths starting here. And then I'm following that up, looping it. I've got it on the loop station now with I'll play this third part over top of the first 2. Okay, so let that play. Once again, the idea is to play diatonically across the entire span of the neck so you can hear the guitar really is in tune. I have this third part. That's probably not quite what you expect to hear on an Ibanez Iceman guitar. So one of the things that I have on my hands as I heal from the surgery, I'm in week 7 now, I finally got around to trying out my GarageBand that I've had for 20 years and never done anything with. So I will subject you to my very first attempt at GarageBand after I finish demonstrating what I'm doing here. And as you've heard me do so many times before, I play the same chord, different inversions in different portions of the fingerboard, so that you can get a sense of the intonation. So here's a C minor. A major, A major 7th, Alright, so let's take a listen to my GarageBand attempt. Indulge me. And thanks for tuning in, I do appreciate it.